Yes, children, good morning. Today we will be doing exercise 5.2, question number 4. See which term of the AP. AP is given 3, 8, 13, 18, dash dash. Which term is 78? So we have to find n over here. What we have to find? N. So what is A given here? 3. And what is D? 8 minus 3 is 5. So we know A and we know D. So we can find out the value of n. If you remember, I have taught you the formula of n. n का formula क्या सिखाया था? an minus a upon d plus 1. Here we know an 78, a is 3, d is 5 plus 1. So 75 upon 5 plus 1. Divide by 5, 5 and the 5, 15. So we are getting 60. It means this 78 is which term? 16th term. A16 is 78. Alright. Now we'll do question number 5. Find the number of terms in each of the following. Now we have to find the number of terms. AP is given to us 7, 13, 19, dash dash, 205. So what is A over here? 7. D, 13 minus 7 is 6. And nth term is also given 205. Find the number of terms n. an minus a upon d plus 1. Put the respective values 205 minus 7 upon 6 plus 1. And here what it will become? 9. 198 plus 1. 199. So we are having number of terms alright. Now we will do second one of it. Now second part of fifth one, it's given to us A is 18 and D would be 15 and half minus 18. Alright. So what is 15 and half? 15 to the 30 plus 1, 31 by 2 minus 18. So if you take LCM, it will become 36. So minus 5 by 2 is your D. Nth term is also given. We have to find n. Because both are negative, so we will do addition. And if you know it, this 2 will come up, minus minus will go, 5 ones are 5, 13s are 13 2s are 26 plus 1, 27. So value of n is coming 27. Got it? Now we will do sixth one. Now sixth one, you see they have given us these terms which are AP. Then they are asking कि find out करो whether minus 150 is a term of this AP or not. We have to search. So what to do? First you find out कि AP में है भी कि नहीं है. Let's see. Mark it. This is A1, A2, A3, A4. A2 minus A1, 8 minus 11 minus 3. A3 minus A2, 5 minus 8 minus 3. So yes, we are getting it same. 2 minus 5 minus 3 is same है. And a common difference is D is equals to minus 2. Okay. So the given numbers form an AP. A is 11 and D is minus 3. Sorry. Okay. Now let minus 150 be the nth term of the given AP. So we know by this formula we can find out if n comes out to be a positive integer, then it is a term. इसमें लॉजिक क्या है बेटा? यदि हम n की वैल्यू निकालें और n की वैल्यू पॉजिटिव इंटीजर आती है तो फिर ये उसका टर्म है, अदरवाइज नहीं है. यदि नेगेटिव आ गया तो n तो कभी नेगेटिव नहीं होगा. रिमेंबर इट, n कैन नेवर बी नेगेटिव. n इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. वी हैव टू फाइंड n. उसी से पता चलेगा कि ये सही है कि नहीं. an की वैल्यू डालिए minus 150. सॉरी, दिस इज a की जगह क्या है 11. d minus 3 plus 1 161. इतना आ रहा है तो माइनस माइनस तो कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ये माइनस ये माइनस. अब एलसीएम ले लीजिए. प्लस 3/3 164/3 डिवाइड करो. 5 ज़ा 4 ज़ा तो 2/3. हाँ, तो n कभी भी फ्रैक्शन भी नहीं होना चाहिए. हमारा तो यहाँ पे n कैसा आ गया? फ्रैक्शन आ गया. So which is not possible. So minus 150 is not its term. यानी minus 50 क्या है? इसका टर्म नहीं है. Okay? Therefore करके लिख देंगे. Now we'll do question number 7. Now question number 7, children. We have find the 31st term. 31st term हमें निकालना है. 11th term और 16th term हमें दिया हुआ है. So let us write, children, here 16th term दिया है यानी a plus 5d 73. 11th term means a plus 10d. So what to do? एलिमिनेशन मेथड आपको याद होगी. उससे ए को एलिमिनेट करते हैं बाय सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. ये यू राइट ऑन सब्ट्रैक्टिंग. ए माइनस ए गया 5d, सॉरी 15d था, 15d माइनस 10d 5d. 13 में से 8 गया 5, 6 में से 3 गया 3. सो d इज इक्वल्स टू 7 आ जाएगा, है ना. 5 1 ज़ा 5, 5 7 ज़ा 35, 7 आ गया. देखो अब d हमें पता चल गया. अब फाइंड करिए a. 73 माइनस 15d 105 माइनस करो. a इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस 32 आ रहा है. हमसे पूछा क्या गया है, a 31 यानी a प्लस 30d माइनस 32 प्लस 30 इंटू डी का वैल्यू है 7, 210. 10 में से 2 गया 8 and here 20 minus 3 17. Okay, now question number 8. An AP consists of 50 terms. तो n कितना हो जाएगा 50. Alright, third term is 12 and last term is 106. Since this is the last term, so which term it is? n क्योंकि 50 दिया हुआ है तो a 50 होगा. ये a 29 आपसे पूछा गया है. So let us start solving. a 50 means a plus 49d. a 3 means a plus 2d. What to do on subtracting? I hope so. Because a will go then. This will go. This 47d. 6 में से 2 गया 4, 94. d is equals to 94 upon 47. 1 ज़ा 2 ज़ा. So d is coming 2. Written now a. a कितना आएगा 12 minus 2d. 12 minus twice of 2 plus 4 8. a की वैल्यू कितनी आई 8 आ गई. Now what to do? a 29 पूछा गया है. a plus 28d. 8 plus 28 into 2 56. 64 is coming. Okay. Now see children, question number 9th. a3 is given 4 and 9th term is given minus 8. We have to find which term is 0. कौन सा term 0 होगा? We don't know. So we have to find n also children. So what you do? You do one thing. First you find d and a because that also we don't know with the help of these two terms given. a9 is minus 8. That is a plus 8d is minus 8. a3 is 4. That is a plus 2d is equals to 4. a minus 2d 6d minus 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 12. So d is equals to minus 2 you will be getting 12 को 6 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, ऐसे 6 1 जा 6 2 जा आ गया. नाउ A वुड बी 4 minus 2D. 4 minus 2 into minus 2, 4 plus 4, 8 आया बेटा. ऑलराइट, A भी आ गया, D भी आ गया. व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, हमें n फाइंड करना है. n का फॉर्मूला लगाओ, an माइनस ए अपॉन डी प्लस 1. 0 minus 8 ये है. तो 0 minus 8 तो -8, minus 2 plus 1, minus minus cancel, 4 4 2 1s and 2 4s, तो 4 plus 1 5. n की वैल्यू है 5, यानी a फिफ्थ is 0, फिफ्थ टर्म is 0. Got it? Now we will do 10th one. Now question number 10th. The 17th term of an AP exceeds 10th term. यानी exceed मतलब बड़ा है 17th term 10th term से by 7. Okay, find the common difference. Very easy. A plus 17D, A plus 16D minus A plus 9D. Open the bracket. So minus A minus 9D. A minus A will go. 16D minus 9D will be 7D. So D is equals to 7 by 7. That is 1. Now we will do 11th one. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 132. To let nth term be 132 more than its 54th term. अच्छा 132 मोर है बेटा, तो हम ले लेते हैं nth term ही ले लेते हैं. 132 मोर देन इट्स 54th term, ऐसे ले लेते हैं. Okay, so we have to find what? Find n only, क्योंकि which term पूछा है n. तो what is a here? 3 और d 15 minus 3 12, d 12 है. तो a n में सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दीजिए. 54th term यानी a plus 53d. And what is nth term? You can put the value here also. A plus n minus 1d. So you can see a will go. Now you are left with n minus 1d minus 53d is equals to 132 here. 132 here. D is also knowing 12, n minus 1 53 इसको ले लिया और D कॉमन ले लिया. So what will happen? n minus 54 और D का वैल्यू 12. So this 12 if you take down, है ना, अब हम नीचे ले जाएंगे तो 1 जा 1 जा 1 जा, यानी n की वैल्यू क्या आई? 11 प्लस 54 कितनी हो जाएगी? 65 n का वैल्यू. तो हमारा जो टर्म दिया हुआ है दिस इज 65th टर्म है, जो कि 132 मोर देन इट्स 54th टर्म है. सो mark it. Okay, thank you children. We'll be sending you in the next video the next questions.